Let's take a look at this 1963 Chevrolet Corvair Monza 900 convertible. Now, this particular car is originally a black on red car, according to the data tag once decoding it. So original colors yet, interior and exterior. Underneath the deck lid, I should say, not necessarily the hood or the bonnet, with the rear engine mount, does have the 2.4 liter air-cooled 6-cylinder. Paint on this car, I'd say it's a nice shape. Is it perfect by any means? No. But overall, very nice shape, nice luster to it, as you can see. Of course, in the black, it always shows little nicks or slight scratches easier, but no, as far as bright work, chrome paint, I'd say it's a decent shape on this one. You can look up and down it. Nice and straight, not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Now, we have had this car running and driving. It needs a little TLC. Owners decided to sell it as is. The next guy down the line, maybe to save a buck, to do a little work himself. And or if you're not mechanically inclined and you like this car, still something we could work out as far as having fixed and work done to it. Some of the things that were noted, tranny pan gasket leaked, so it did have a tranny fluid leak. It was from the tranny pan gasket, and needs some carb work. Carb had a little fuel issue, so we're not going to start it. It does run and drive. Like I said, we did have it running and driving, but it does have some carb issues, and I don't want to make it worse than it is. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside looked good. Check out the engine bay, interior, underneath the hood, where the storage compartment is at. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too. We have technicians that go through these cars. Give us a call. You can consult with a sales associate. 507-386-1726. All right, vinyl bucket interior. This one did have the optional padded dash as well as automatic transmission. And as you can see, interior vinyl cloth, or I should say vinyl and carpeting, all in nice shape on this one. And I'm going to pop up the top on this for you too. I'll show you the engine bay. We'll pop up the convertible top and check that out, show you what kind of shape it's in. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with getting this car to where you're located at. Be happy to help you out with any of those things. Again, just consult with your sales associate when you call in. Coming around to the rear, you see the chrome in the rear bumper, also in nice shape. Any of the bright work, like I said, in chrome seem to be pretty nice shape. And again, paint has got a nice luster to it back here. See the vented engine compartment. It's like stock wheel covers. Very stock looking car, especially being in the original color interior and exterior. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a little closer look at this interior, then I'm going to pop that deck lid, check out the engine compartment. Odometer shows 41,674. Can't really confirm or deny as far as that being original miles or not, because they do not stay in a title once the car is so old. See, seat belts appear to have been added to the front of this one. Door panel in nice shape. Again, you can see where that shifter is for the automatic transmission right here. So you put a little aftermarket retro style radio in there. Now, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this rear lid so we can check out the engine bay. So give me a second. Let's get that popped. All right. Here's the engine bay. And again, nice and tidy. Like I said, the main thing needed here is a little bit of carb work. Fuel issue. Spare tire mounted back here. And again, nice and neat, just the way you'd expect it to look stock wise. These were air cooled, 6-cylinder, 2.4 liter. All right, so there's the engine bay. Tell you what, I'm going to pause this one last time, and give me a second to get the top up. I want you guys to be able to see what kind of condition the top is, and let's take a look and see how that works. All right, got the top up. As you can see, black vinyl. Now, this is a power top also. Top is in working order. Went up very nicely for me. Looks like a newer top. Does not appear to be any rips or tears that I have seen in it. Back window also in nice shape. Just a few wrinkles from being folded up, as you'd expect with any other convertible tops. There you go. Top looks good. 1963 Corvair Monza 900 convertible. Does need a little TLC. Again, call in. Consult with a sales associate to talk to. Any questions on this one? 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can check it out. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist with the transportation of this vehicle. Look forward to hearing from you.